Welcome to this Pilates stretching class where you're going to use a chair to help you just find more ease with your stretches, work on that alignment, and foster more awareness that your stretches feel really good, not too intense. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to feel better in your body with this stretching routine, grab your chair and join me on the mat. Let's begin facing the chair. We'll work shoulders and upper back stretch to begin with. So let your arms rest forward onto the chair. Let your head drape through. And breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. We'll get to leg stretches in just a little bit, but for right now, focus on upper back, the shoulders. Connect to your deep breathing in and out. Imagine your pelvis reaching back behind you here. The crown of the head reaching further forward. In your next breath, roll yourself up. And we'll let one foot come in front of you, and the shin can just tap against the chair. Both hands on the chair here. You can wiggle that back knee further back if you'd like, and we're taking a stretch to open up the hip. So the leg that's back behind you, maybe feeling that stretch. If you'd like, how would it feel to tuck those toes? To tuck those toes, maybe you start to feel a deeper sensation here. Keep breathing in and out. Now we'll add rotation. The leg that's in front of you, that arm is going to sweep down and rotate your spine. Now the arm can open, or you can bring your hand to your pelvis. Notice what feels best for your spine, for your shoulder. Continuing to take deep breaths here. Next time you breathe, unwind, come back to center, both hands on the chair, and shift your hips back. You can flex through the front foot if you'd like. I'm going to put my toes on the bar of the chair and take your arms forward as much as you need to so you do start to feel a stretch on the front of that leg, or on the back of the front leg, I should say. Keep breathing. Now, if your leg isn't all the way straight, that's okay too. You want to go to a point where you're experiencing a stretch, the shoulders relax, and you're able to take deep breaths without feeling like you're gaining a lot of extra tension in the body. Your next breath, bring yourself up. Go back into that lunge. Keep breathing. And now, whatever leg's back, reach that arm down. Then reach the arm up to the ceiling. Reach longer with the fingertips up to the ceiling. Tuck your toes and press them down into the floor more firmly. Maybe you're starting to feel more opening in the hip. You may even want to give a squeeze with your glutes. Another breath here. Very nice. And switch out your sides. So adjusting in that opposite lunge position. Take some breath. Inhale. Exhale. Notice how it would feel if you tucked your back toes. Does that change your sensation? Right away, you can engage through the glutes. Whatever leg is forward, that same arm is going to reach back, and you rotate spine. Remember, if you don't like arm reaching, the hand can come to pelvis. Allow yourself to take deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing in and out. Your next breath. Unwind, come back to center. Now we're going to push the pelvis back. Front leg will go straighter. It may go all the way straight, it may not. You can always adjust as needed. Reaching arms further forward is an option. Think soft, relax in the shoulders. Crown of the head reaches forward, not just down. So reach further forward with the crown of the head with your spine. Long, Slow, deep breaths here. In your next breath, bring yourself up, bend that front thigh once again. Go back to the stretch for the hip. Whatever leg's back, that same arm reaches down. Then you can reach it up towards the ceiling. Reach and lift longer with that top arm. Back toes still tucked if that feels comfortable for you. The glutes are engaged to help open up that front hip even more. Another breath here. Very nice, hand comes down. And one more time, we're going to switch out the legs. So you can stay back knee down or go to a lunge position here so that back knee is lifted off the floor. We're angled right now with spine. And just see if you can sink down a little bit deeper with your pelvis. Whatever leg is front, feel that side of the pelvis reach back a little bit. Likes to kind of rotate forward, so reach it on back. Now push the front leg to a straighter position. Keep breathing. Reach that back heel further down. Now your hands can stay on the chair or your forearms can come down. You can also go in between where you bend the elbows just a little bit. Can you still keep spine reaching forward? So even though maybe we're sinking a little bit lower, we're not collapsing down. There's more of a length with the spine. Take another breath here. Very nice. Bend front thigh. Let the back knee come down and switch out your sides. So the back knee again can stay down, or if you'd like, come to that lunge. Take some breath in your lunge here. Reach and lengthen crown of the head forward. Whether back knee is down or lifted, front leg can go straighter. And again, you can position your arms in a different position on the chair so that you're experiencing the stretch that you want. You can back out of it a little bit. You can sink a little bit deeper. Back heel reaching down. That front foot, drive the ball of the foot further into the floor, not so much in the heel of the foot. Crown of the head reaches forward. Where can you release? Still breathe deeply for yourself here. Very nice. Bend through front thigh, let back knee come down. And now we'll have a seat on your chair. So just sit on your chair, sitting nice and tall towards more of the front edge of the chair. Cross one ankle over the thigh, figure four stretch. Now you're going to push your bottom foot down into the floor, flex the foot that's crossed, and you can press it into your hand, and then lean forward to any degree. I want you really to activate through your feet here. Breathing in, breathing out. Press feet firmly either to floor or foot into hand. And again, not so concerned with collapsing forward, but lengthening forward instead. This stretch is a great midday stretch to do. If you happen to sit a lot in an office chair or desk chair, it's a nice one to add into your day. Then bring yourself up and switch legs. Again, let's concern ourselves with the feet first. Press the feet into the floor or into the hand, and then lean forward to any degree here. Breathing in, breathing out, soften the shoulders and brow line. Keep breathing. Long, deep breaths here. Two more deep breaths. Very nice. Bring yourself upright, uncross the legs. Just notice your sits bones anchored down to the chair. Let your shoulders soften down. Feel crown of the head reach up to the ceiling. If you enjoyed that class, I think you're really going to like the 5-day Pilates challenge. with a workout plan to increase strength and flexibility. 5 Pilates workouts sent straight to your inbox, and you won't find these classes on YouTube. This is a members-only program that I know you're going to love. Click on the link in the first comment of this video to get started today. After you do that, if you enjoyed this class, give this video a like or leave a comment down below with your favorite part of the session. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I can't wait for you to join me for the 5-day Pilates challenge.